Picture here at Castle Bridge in Bristol. We're setting up our light installation, part of the Bristol Light Festival. It's called Beam, and you might be wondering what goes into producing a project like this. And we're going to show you. One of the key elements of this installation are the lasers. One's going to be installed behind me at Left-Handed Giant and the other at Castle Park. They're really, really important for creating that beam effect. Tom. Bristol Light Festival, more specifically Castle Bridge, which is where we are located.
Obviously, as you might expect, using lasers, loads of different safety kind of hurdles we have to jump over to make sure it's safe, but it is safe. We've done everything properly, everything to legislation, which is always a good thing.
One really exciting little extra we've added to this installment is Sol Cell that's behind me. Sol Cell is our very own lithium battery powered generator, charged directly from the sun in our very own Bristol-based warehouse. Sol Cell's mission is to diminish the use and need of fossil fuel powered generators. This is just one example of PYTCH's sustainability approach and how we strive to work closer to net zero. So we're wrapping up here at Castle Bridge for the day. A long day, but a very successful and productive day. Special thanks and a special shout out to Left-Handed Giant, who have produced this lovely beer in name of the light installation. So Tom, cheers mate, cracking day.